Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Mi router AX3600, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the Mi Wi-Fi web server language interface. To change interface language, open Settings, then click Status. Scroll down, here find system language, click on the system language you want to use and change it, for example, to the other one, for example to Espanol. So great, that's it. As you can see, we have changed the language, ajustes, the red and others. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.